Hi.
To start with the recipe, first let's prepare our steak. Take 1 pound of steak and cut it into thin strips. This will help it cook quickly and evenly. Make sure your knife is sharp to get clean cuts. A common mistake is cutting the pieces too thick, which can lead to uneven cooking. Aim for strips about ½ inch wide. You'll know you've got it right when the strips are uniform in size. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the butter has melted and the mixture is hot, add 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms and 1 medium chopped onion. Sauté them until they turn golden brown, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the onions are translucent and the mushrooms have a nice golden hue. Set them aside for now. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Next, it's time to sear the steak strips. In the same skillet, add the steak and let it sear until it's browned on all sides. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Season the steak with salt and black pepper to taste as it cooks. The key here is to get a nice brown crust on the meat, which adds flavor. You'll know it's perfect when the edges are crispy and brown. Now comes an important step: deglazing the pan. Pour in a 1/4 cup of brandy and use a wooden spoon to scrape up all the flavorful bits stuck to the bottom of the pan. This process should take about 1 minute. You'll hear a satisfying sizzle as the alcohol evaporates, leaving behind a rich, concentrated flavor. Add 1 cup of beef stock, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 bay leaf to the skillet. Return the mushrooms and onions to the pan as well. Stir everything together and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. This step is crucial because it allows the flavors to meld together. You'll know it's ready when the sauce has slightly thickened and everything is heated through. Stir in 1 cup of sour cream, mixing it well into the sauce. This will give your stroganoff its signature creamy texture. Make sure the sour cream is fully incorporated and the sauce is smooth. If it's too thick, you can add a splash more beef stock to reach your desired consistency. You'll know it's perfect when the sauce is creamy and coats the back of a spoon. Season the dish with additional salt and black pepper to taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasoning to your liking. Remember, it's easier to add more salt than to take it away, so go slowly. Taste as you go to ensure the flavors are balanced. Finally, garnish your beef stroganoff with freshly chopped parsley or dill, according to your preference. This adds a fresh, vibrant touch to the dish. Serve it hot and enjoy the rich, creamy flavors. You'll know you've nailed it when your kitchen smells amazing and your dish looks as good as it tastes. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.